Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. So you all are prepared and ready to begin with our today's classes? Are you? I know you all are happy because today is Friday and then you are going to have 2 holidays, isn't it? Saturday, Sunday. So you all are excited about okay, today's last and then 2 days holiday, isn't it so? Great. So let's begin with our today's classes. So today is 22nd January 2021 and as you all know the day is Friday. Yes. So class, now what are we going to do today? It's a conversation class, something in which we learn about different things. Ma'am is telling you quick topic लेते हैं and we discuss things about it, isn't it? So what is our today's topic of discussion? Our today's topic is one of the national festival which is just coming. You all know January month is going on. So can any one of you tell me which national festival we all as an Indian celebrate in the month of January? Can anyone tell me? Okay, let me give you a hint. It is coming on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday again we are going to have a holiday. So on Tuesday, which national festival we all are going to celebrate? A festival in which we see parade, how the soldiers are doing march past, how different fighter jets are they are also showing us the air shows. So we watch these parades on our television with our family. Yes, you all are correct. We are going to celebrate Republic Day on this 26th January. Not only this, actually 26th January is the most remarkable day for all the Indians especially, because on 26th January every year we celebrate our national festival Republic Day. So when do we celebrate Republic Day? On which date? On 26th January. Yes. So every year on 26th January, her saal, every year 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Now can anyone tell me what is this Republic Day? What happened on this day? क्या हुआ था? Can any one of you tell me? I'll tell you. See, you all know that there are certain rules and regulations we have to follow as a citizen, or you can say घर पे भी जब आप रहते हो, when you are at home, mama asks you, don't shout in the class. Ma'am says, don't stand and run in the class. Then do your work neatly. So what are these? These are some rules. छोटे छोटे rules होते हैं, isn't it? And we all have to follow them. Is that clear? तो क्या होता है? Now India is such a big country. Such a big country. आपको पता है कितनी big country है और इसमें कितने सारे लोग रहते हैं. So many people live in this country. So to have a good law and order, हमारे country में सब लोग अच्छे से रहें, happily रहें, कोई किसी से लड़ाई ना करे, nobody misbehaves. तो क्या किया? Government has set certain rules for this. इसके लिए भी क्या किया गया? कुछ rules बनाए गए so that every Indian can enjoy their life. सबको कुछ ना कुछ rights मिले, that means अधिकार, कुछ ना कुछ duties मिली towards your country कि अगर आप ऐसे रहोगे तो ही आपको ये वाला benefit मिलेगा. So rights and duties. So all this happened on 26 January 1950. पे क्या हुआ था? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया डिक्लेयर हुआ था. हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना था. व्हाट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? It is the supreme लॉ, सुप्रीम मतलब सबसे बड़ा कानून, लॉ। यू ऑल नो ना कानून किसको कहते हैं, जो लॉज होती हैं। सो द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज द सुप्रीम लॉ। और 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो लागू हुआ था, वो यूज होना, इनैक्ट स्टार्ट हुआ था उसके ऊपर। क्लियर? सो टू रिमेंबर दिस डेट, ये वाला जो ईयर है, टू रिमेंबर दिस वन, वी सेलिब्रेट 26 जनवरी एवरी ईयर एज आवर नेशनल फेस्टिवल। मैम ने आपको सिखाया था विच आर नेशनल एंड विच आर रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स। सो नेशनल फेस्टिवल में हमने सीखा था रिपब्लिक डे 26 जनवरी, फिर एक मैम ने आपको बताया था इंडिपेंडेंस डे 15 अगस्त को, जो हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस होता है, जिस दिन हमें फ्रीडम मिला था, एंड वन इज गांधी जयंती 2 अक्टूबर। सो ऑन 26 जनवरी comes रिपब्लिक डे, वन ऑफ आवर नेशनल फेस्टिवल। और इस दिन क्या होता है, दिल्ली में देयर इज अ बिग परेड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, बहुत बड़ी एक परेड ऑर्गेनाइज की जाती है। इन दैट सोल्जर्स, जो हमारे कंट्री की स्ट्रेंथ है, द वन हु आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू प्रोटेक्ट अस, हमारे सारे बॉर्डर्स को सेफ गार्ड करते हैं, वो लोग उस परेड में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। फिर लोगों को ये दिखाया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस परेड हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग वी आर, हम कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं कि नोबडी कैन कम एंड अटैक अस। फिर डिफरेंट स्कूल्स के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, दे पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस परेड। सो यू ऑल वांट टू हैव अ लुक टू इट? ओके, आई मेक यू सी दैट, बट बिफोर दैट आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट फ्यू नेशनल सिंबल्स। सी क्लास, हर कंट्री के कुछ अपने सिंबल्स होते हैं जिनको देख के पता लगता है कि यस दिस इज रिलेटेड टू इंडिया। So we have national symbols like we have national fruit, game, tree, then we have national flower, bird, lot of things we have. So ma'am is going to show you them all one by one. First we'll understand about these national symbols और फिर मैम आपको एक जो 26 जनवरी की परेड होती है उसकी एक छोटी सी क्लिप भी दिखाएंगे। Okay? So you all are ready to watch that? Let's begin. Now let's see our different national symbols. Shall we begin now? Okay. So the first national symbol, our flag. What we call it? Tricolor. You know why we call it tricolor? Because it has 3 different color bands. Can you see the 3 color bands it have? Saffron at the top, which indicates courage, himmat. Then we have white in between, that indicates peace, shanti ka pratik. Then we have green, which indicates prosperity. And you know what we call our flag? It is also known as tricolor. And in the center of the white band, we all can see a chakra. A blue color chakra. You know what we call it? We call it Ashok chakra. And this Ashok chakra has 24 spokes in it. 24, ये जो आपको lines दिख रही हैं, these are spokes. They are 24 in number. And do you know what is the meaning of this 24 spokes? That is 24 hours. That we have to keep on working for the better of our, for the upliftment, or you can say for the benefit of our country. Clear? So now this is our national flag. We also call it tricolor. Then we have our national flower. And you know which flower is this? Lotus. आपने lotus देखा है, कमल का फूल? So this lotus flower is our national flower. And you know where we can find this flower? कहाँ मिलता है हमें ये flower? They float on the pond. Ponds होते हैं पानी के, जो उनके ऊपर float कर रहे होते हैं ये flowers. Isn't it? They are pink in color. You can see the pink color petals. They are pink in color. and they are referred as our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Yes. Now moving to the next, we have, wow, yummy mango. And you know what is this? Mango is our national fruit. We have learnt about this fruit in the chapters related to our fruits and vegetables, isn't it? So at that time also I have been telling you that mango is our national fruit. So this is mango. It has one seed, as you all know, and this is our national fruit. क्या कौन सा fruit है ये? हमारा national fruit है. Now moving to the next national symbol, that is bird, our national bird, and the name of our national bird is peacock. आप सबने देखा है peacock? So can you see I have shared two pictures here. One is where the feathers of peacock is closed. आप देख रहे हैं on the right, on the this side of the screen. Can you see this? But when it rains, what happened? Peacock, they open their feather like this and they dance. And it's such a beautiful bird peacock is. You can see the beauty. See how beautifully they have opened their feathers and they are dancing, isn't it? So peacock is our national bird. Okay, have you ever seen peacock's feather anywhere? Yes, कान्हा जी के हेड पे आपने देखा है? कान्हा जी हमेशा इसे अपने मुकुट पे लगाते हैं, isn't it? Yes. So who is our national bird? Peacock. Now moving to the next national symbol, that is animal. So who is our national animal? Can you identify this animal? Tiger. Yes, tiger is our national animal. So can you tell me one forest where we can see tigers? There are different national parks and sanctuaries where these tigers are kept. Though they are very less in number, but still government is taking different steps to save them and to protect them. So our national animal is tiger, and this tiger has some black stripes on body. आप देख सकते हो उसकी body पे जो black stripes है. So our national animal is tiger. Yes. So now till now we have learnt about national fruit, mango, national animal, tiger. Then we have national bird, and who is our national bird? Peacock. Then we have anything else we have learnt? Yes, national flag, and we call it tricolor flag. Now moving to the next national symbol is national tree. So can you see this? It's a banyan tree. Now if I ask you to go closer, just see, can you see these branches? ये branches देख रहे हो जो इससे लटक रही हैं? So this is the main identification which tells that this tree is banyan tree. अगर किसी भी tree को आप देखते हैं और जिसमें से शाखाएं लटक रही हो, so that is our national tree, banyan tree. Clear all? Okay, now moving to the next one, we have our national game, hockey. So have you ever seen this hockey stick? आपने hockey match देखा है? जैसे cricket match होता है वैसे we have hockey match also. So hockey is our national game. Understood? Okay. Now next we have is our national emblem, the lion capital. So beta, this lion capital or the national emblem is seen on all the governmental institutions or the papers which the documents which are related to our government. And a very good example which I can give you is, if you have ever seen a policeman wearing a cap, आप देखेंगे you will find this emblem on their hat, on the cap also in front. So this is our national emblem. And you know these tigers, can you see these these lions, not tigers, these lions? There are 4 lions. आपको ये 3 दिख रहे हैं, 1, 2, 3, but there is one more lion जो इसके पीछे खड़ा हुआ है. So there are 4 lions in our national emblem and they are standing back to back with each other. Clear? So this is our national emblem and the name is the lion capital. Now you all must be aware of what is this. This is our currency, the Indian currency, and what we call it, rupee. What we call our Indian currency, rupee. आप मार्केट जाते हो तो आपको वहाँ पे पे करनी पड़ती है ना. So rupee is the name of our Indian currency, and the sign of our currency is this one. This is the sign of our currency. Now if you go closer, can you see हर नोट पे जो हमारी करेंसी होती है, you can see this mark, you can see this sign on every note, on every currency, isn't it? Amount के पहले we are putting this sign. Can you see that? Yes. So this So class, I hope you have enjoyed everything. You have understood about different national symbols. What is the currency sign of India? What type of currencies we use in India? Then what are the different national symbols we have? And how a parade comes on 26th January. You all have enjoyed it. So class, this is all about our national festival, Republic Day, which we celebrate on every 26th January. Every year we do that. Okay? So, bye for now, and I request you all to please get ready for your next class. Take care.